In response to the article, A Classroom Demonstration of Self-Monitoring, I had a lot of great takeaways. To begin with, I have seen many instances of reactivity while observing students, but I never had a name for it, so it was great to get more understanding of this phenomenon. Reactivity is the process by which clients or individuals' behaviors change because they know that they are being observed, and this is according to Carr et al. 1995 on page 141. When I went into the classroom to observe the student I am working with on my behavior change project, the first thing his teacher said to me afterwards was, "He's never been so quiet." At the time, I did not have the word reactivity in my repertoire, so I explained to her that I do see that happen often when observing students. Even though they may not even know I am there for them, typically when someone is in the classroom who is someone other than their teacher, they normally behave a little bit better than they would have. One thing that I have done to decrease the reactivity when observing is if students mention me or ask what I'm doing in there, I tell the students that I am in there to observe their teacher as opposed to them, and through this I have seen more positive results. I believe this helps the observation be less obtrusive because they think that I'm there to watch their teacher and not them, so they're not as focused on their own behavior. Through my behavior change project, I also have planned on using the self-monitoring as a form of my intervention, so it was nice to see that it can have a positive effect in decreasing the target behaviors we are focusing on. According to Carr et al. 1995, page 141, self-monitoring is when an individual systematically observes his or her behavior and responds to the occurrence of the target behavior. I believe this method will give my student an opportunity to reflect on the amount of times he calls out in class and how it can be distracting to his own learning and to the learning of his peers. As the article stated on page 145, self-monitoring can have a significant impact on student behavior, and I am excited to see how this intervention will affect my students' behavior. I also thought just having individuals work on observing each other, being the observer and the observee, was very interesting. I think this is something that I wish I would have done when I was in my undergrad class because I think it can give people a lot more insight in what is occurring while observing target behaviors. So this was a really nice article to read, and I am excited to see how it carries over into my practice and my setting. Thanks.